Today we're talking about redefining a Scrivener 3 for Windows style to your specific requirements. So you've got to the end of your document, you've formatted all the block quotes in a specific way, but you then find out that you need to redefine them because your publisher says, that's not how we do it here. Okay, so the first thing to say is that styles are specific to a particular project, so don't automatically get changed in other projects, although you can copy styles across, which we'll do at the end. Although probably the best way to tackle that would be to have a template project for specific formats. So first go to a piece of text and make the formatting changes to it that are required. Now we're going to open up the Styles panel because we'll be using this in future videos too, so you need to know of its existence. But there is another way to do this which we'll cover later. Right-click on the style and select Redefine Paragraph Style from the selection. This will change the style wherever you've applied it in your project. Alternatively, you can highlight the newly formatted text, go to the Format menu, Style, Redefine Style from Selection, and click on the relevant style. This method, although a bit menu on the screen heavy, might be better if you think you'll forget to right-click on the style in the Styles panel, because forgetting to do that will just set your text back to how it originally was. So let's generate a compiled file to see the change. It has changed to italics, but it has still conformed to a block quote setting in compile. If you wanted something completely different, you might have to create your very own style, which is probably a good idea because you never know when you might need the old one. Now copying a style sheet to another project. To do this, use the Format, Style, Import Styles option. Open the project that has the style sheet you want to copy. If there are conflicts, you'll be asked whether you want to replace the style in that project, which you might want to do, or you can add the imported styles, which means you'll have both options available. Obviously, it'll import all the styles, so if you don't want any of them, you might have to delete them.